Guys, today we're going to be looking at how to bypass Originality AI. As you know, Originality AI it's a really popular AI detector that helps spot AI generated content. Now we're going to be looking at how you can get past Originality AI without being flagged by the detector. Now, to do this, we're going to be using ReHumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB. ReHumanize AI, it's an AI humanizer, right? So we're going to be using it to bypass Originality AI and see how it performs, right? Now, to do this, we've generated an AI article from cloud. So this is the AI article right here, right? Now this is what it looks like. Here's an AI article. So just gonna copy some part of the article. Let's say just the introduction, yes. So I'm just gonna take it to originality. This is originality. So I'm just gonna paste the content the way it is. Let's actually see if this is AI generated. Oh, wow, okay, I'm gonna switch to this. You can see this is 100% AI generated, right? Because this content has generated from cloud. So we're gonna copy this same content. I'm gonna paste it into Rehumanized AI by JBCONTENTLAB. Now, you're gonna be careful when you're setting up the tool because there are other uh, Rehumanized AI out there. This is Rehumanized AI by JBCONTENTLAB. So this is what it looks like, right? Now I'm gonna copy the text. Yeah. So this is what the text looks like. Then I'm gonna try to humanize it using the tool. All right, if you see Humanize AI by JB Control Lab, you see they have two writing styles, the Ultra, the Zine, and the Originality AI model. So since we're trying to bypass originality, I'm gonna use the Originality model. Just gonna click Humanize. So so why does that? I want to point out one thing that's really, really important. That's a content writer, a freelancer, or an agency. Okay, it's giving us an output. Now, when working with AI humanizers, sometimes most AI humanizers try to bypass AI detectors with really poor quality content. So sometimes when so there's no way, for example, I'm just gonna copy this and you're just gonna copy the output from an AI humanizer and just use it like that. I mean, you have to proofread and check for errors because there are always going to be errors, right? Now, right now, this is what it looks like. This is the content. You can see it has retained the heading of the content, the headings, right? And so I'm just gonna copy this so it's good for SEO optimization. I'm just gonna copy this because it retains your headings. Then I'm just gonna put this into originality to see what the score looks like, right? As you can see, this is 100% AI generated originality. Now, without any proofreading done, right? With no proofread for grammar errors. Now, I'm gonna paste this into Grammarly because I mean you're working with an AI humanizer. Of course, there's going to be some grammar issues, even if you're getting the content directly from cloud or from ChatGPT. So you want to proofread from grammar with some errors. Now you can see there's some correctness to be made. I'm just gonna accept the changes requested for correctness because some AI humanizer that puts a lot of errors and grammar errors in the text to try to using as a technique to try to bypass the AI detector, right? So we've checked for correctness, you can see. Then I'm just gonna copy this. Then I'm just gonna paste it back into ReHumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB to see what we get. Now you can see again after proofreading with Grammarly, we've got a solid 98% human score. Now that's how you bypass or how you get past originality using Rehumanize AI consistently, right? You can bypass consistently. Now we can do another section of the test, yes, um, just to make sure it's consistent, yes. We can pick another article which was also AI generated. You can see, right? Let's say let's say we copy the chunk of the article, right? Chunk of it. Okay, up to this point, right? Then, right? You can see this is, we've got, you see we've got 500 words here, right? Now, I have to take some part of the text because it's recommended you keep the text within uh, 500 words to get the best output when using Rehumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB. So there's a 500 word text from another AI generated text from cloud. So, so I'm just going to click on humanize. Okay, got an output. All right. If you see here again, it retained the heading of the article, right? What is the It's retained the heading of the article. You can see it retained it. You can see the heading, right? Now on Rehumanize AI, you can actually format your content right away. I mean, for example, this is an H2. I can make this an H2. This is an H3. I can make this an H3, right? So you can format right away if you want to. So I'm just gonna copy this. Why this is the H1, right? So I'm gonna copy this and we're gonna test on originality AI. Okay, of course not limit here. Just let's do it using another browser. Okay, so paste in there and check. And you see, just like that, for this other text, we got a 98% human score. So you can see Originality AI. You can see Rehumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB consistently bypass Originality AI. Now for pricing Rehumanize AI, it's it's a very affordable AI humanizer. It's arguably the most affordable AI humanizer. Now, you've got a 3 day starter access plan to actually test out the tool, which gives you 8,000 words for just $2. There's a free plan of 500 words per month. There's a starter plan which costs $9 for just 25,000 words, and the standard plan gives you 7,000 words for just $18.